Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset your TradingView chart. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your TradingView app, and once you open your TradingView app, you will end up in this kind of page. So now all you need to do is select the index, and once you select the index, all you need to do is simply tap on the trade option. So once you tap on the trade option, you can find a pencil like icon, so simply tap on it again. So once you tap on the pencil like icon, simply scroll through the options, and at the end you can find the remove option. So now tap on the remove drawing and indicators. So once this is done, your chart on TradingView app is successfully reset. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.